So we'll do this little Bicolour cat. Kind of an older kitten, I guess. You start with some shapes. Just get some little round balls in for paws at first, and we'll refine those later. Just want to get the general shape and map the kitty out. Sitting on that stump. I thought this was such a cute pose. Couldn't resist. So I am going 3 times the speed and voicing over. I should say I have it sped up to 3 times the speed. Start refining a little bit now. Always correcting as I go. Just trying to keep my lines a little on the lighter side still, because it's easier to correct that way. I try not to take my eraser out too much, because I just find that those extra lines that I end up with, they just kind of fade away into background tone. Definitely helps give the drawing a little bit of depth. Liking what I got so far. I might have got that little face a little bit big, so I haven't really captured the real kitten look, but you know, that could be tweaked. But that's just kind of a a good point, that it doesn't really take much in the change of shapes to get a different look. You basically just got to tweak it until what you got. So what you've got, till you've got what you want. So you kind of just got to ask yourself, what is it that doesn't seem right here, and then fix that and trust yourself. You're your own best judge about your artwork, that's for sure. But you really have to have an observant eye. And that's something that's learned. It's not just something that some people have and some people don't. You train yourself in that. I like the expression I got on the face anyways. And then we'll kind of tune it up into a Bicolour cat. Just a really quick rough sketch of that stump in there. And I couldn't resist putting little claws in there too. I think they add a lot of character. You probably can't see them too well. They're pretty tiny. Wiggle lines. I love wiggle lines. Darken that up a bit, but it's just a quick sketch, so I'm not going to get too carried away. And there's so much learning to be had in these quick sketches. And everything you learn carries forward to your next piece, whether it be another sketch or a more finished, polished piece of art. But I just really tend to love the sketchy look myself. I try to keep as much of that as I can in my finished art. Less is more. We'll get some whiskers on here pretty quick. Thank you so much for watching today. And we'll see you next time.